Hi, hello, and welcome to the Regulus Academy. Tautology. This is the famous topic of JEE main syllabus as well as for your board exams also. This is very important topic, tautology. So before we get into that, we must know all the Boolean matrix. So what is Boolean matrix? Boolean matrix is nothing but this is Boolean matrix or Boolean assumptions. So all positive thing or positive output is represented by logical one. That means pass or true. So these are all logical ones. Then all negative statements or negative thing is denoted by logical zero. So logical ones and logical zero, that is fail or false. So these are all the statement, mathematical statement which we are giving mathematical reasoning for each and every topics. Okay. So there are so many properties which are given in your syllabus. So here, suppose if you consider P as a simple statement, Q as also a simple statement. If you took P and Q together as a compound sentence, these two need not be in a relation. P should be some sentence and Q should be other sentence. In your book it is given what is P. Let P is nothing but 1 is not a prime number. And Q is Russia is the capital of India. So these two are not related, but even then we can join these two sentences mathematically. We are giving mathematical reasoning for joining these two sentences. So P is nothing but how we can connect by compound sentence by means of and or something. So 1 is not a prime number and Russia is the capital of India. But this is true statement. This is false statement, right? So then we'll see, going to see negation of P. So that is negative of P, not P. It is denoted by the symbol. This is approximately difference. Okay? And then conjunction of P and Q. What is meant by conjunction? Joining of P and Q. It is denoted by P hat Q. Okay? And the conjunction is and. Its truth value is always true. Whenever both P and Q are true, its truth value is true. Okay? And then what else? Disjunction. Disjunction means P and Q can be represented as P cup Q. That is OR statement. Its truth value is false, absolutely the converse of this, whenever both P and Q are false. And then next one is conditional statement. What is the conditional statement? If P, then Q. So P tends to Q. If P, then Q. It is denoted by the symbol P to Q. So its truth value is false. How it is false? It depends upon Q. If Q has the truth value false and P, the truth value of P is true, then its truth value is false. If P is true and Q is false, then its truth value is false. Otherwise, it is true. Okay. So, what is the conditional statement? If P, then Q. It is quite a bit confusing. Actually, if P, then Q. What is it? How it represents P to Q? Its truth value is false only if P's truth value is false and Q's truth value is false and P's truth value is true. Otherwise, it is always true. Okay. Then biconditional statement. Biconditional statement is nothing but P if and only if Q. P if and only if Q. What is that? P, so double side arrow and Q. This is the symbol representing this. Its truth value is nothing but, its truth value is true whenever both P and Q have identical truth values. That is, if P is true and Q is true, then its truth value is true. And then if P is false and Q is false, its truth value is true. Otherwise, it is false. Okay. So, what is biconditional statement? Biconditional. So, conditional statement is something different from biconditional. Conditional statement is if P then Q. What is that? P to Q. Its truth value is true only when Q has truth value for true and P is false. Otherwise, its truth value is false only if Q has truth value false and P is true. Okay. But here in biconditional statement, it depends upon both P and Q values which are identical. Okay. P and Q has two identical truth values, that is one or that is true or false. Okay. Suppose if P and Q are true, then its truth value is true. If P and Q are false, then its truth value is false. Okay. Otherwise it is true. Sorry, false. And then tautology. What is tautology? In biconditional statement, we saw P if and only if Q. What is if and only if Q? Its truth value depends upon both P and Q which is having same identical truth value, then its truth value is true. Suppose if P and Q are true, then its truth value is true. If P and Q are false, then its truth value is also true. Otherwise, if P is true and Q is false, it is false. If P is false and Q is true, it is false. Then tautology. Tautology always true statement. It is always true and it is represented by the letter capital T. So irrespective of its truth value of the component statements, that is P and Q statements. If P is true or Q is true, whatever it may be, irrespective of the component statements, the tautology statement will always be true. Okay. It is represented by a letter T. Contradiction. Contradiction is nothing but it is represented by a letter F. It is always false irrespective of its component statements, truth value of its component statement. Suppose if the statement given is either tautology nor contradiction, then it is named as contingent. So it is contingent statement. Contingency statement. Okay. Neither tautology nor contradiction. This is contingent statement. So then we'll see all the conditional statements and we'll get into the problems